If you would like to know the latest updates on YouTube, stay tuned, watch this video all the way to the end as I reveal all. Hi there, David Walsh here once again from davidwalshonline.com, and in this video I'm going to reveal the latest updates from VidCon 2019 that are happening to the platform. Now, if this is your first time here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell to be notified every time we upload videos every Tuesday. So VidCon has happened once again. This is the 10th iteration of this annual event, and YouTube have taken this opportunity to reveal updates to the platform. Pretty much the main focus of these updates is how creators can make more money from YouTube other than from Adsense. It looks like YouTube are adding on additional services and functionality on the platform so that creators can make more money from their YouTube channels without having to rely on advertising money. So let's hop into these updates. So the first one is channel memberships. If you have a channel with more than 50,000 subscribers, you have the ability to add a membership where you can charge $4.99 per month and give additional content to those members. This seems to have been successful enough that YouTube are now rolling out more membership levels so that you can charge more money, give more additional content to those members so that you can make additional revenue from your YouTube channel. So for larger channels who want to give additional content to their members, this gives them even more levels that they can add and give more behind the scenes content or whatever else that they want to show in those levels to those members. Now, the minimum requirement is 50,000 subscribers, but I do see that dropping over the next while. It may come down to 25,000 or 20,000, and eventually I would expect it to come down to 10,000 subscribers. So if you're not quite there, you can still work towards that, and that's always a good thing. But for creators in the future who you may be starting out now, I can see that around 10,000 subscribers is where you're going to be able to have those membership levels on your YouTube channel. The next update is super stickers. So if you have super chat on your YouTube channel, you are now able to add more stickers and make more revenue from those stickers on super chat. Super Chat has now become the #1 revenue stream for over 20,000 channels on YouTube, with 90,000 channels receiving revenue from the Super Chat stickers. This seems to have been the most successful update that YouTube have brought out for creators for them to make money. So they're rolling out more stickers so that more YouTubers can make additional revenue from Super Chat. As of yet, we don't know when this will be rolled out, but I'm sure there'll be an update from YouTube sometime in the near future about it. The next update is additional merch vendors on YouTube. YouTube launched this merch shelf functionality last November, and Teespring was the only vendor you could use to have merch on your channel. So YouTube has opened their doors to more merch vendors, making it more competitive so you get better prices for your merchandise that you're selling on your channel. So the profitability of your merchandise that you're selling on your channel will be a lot more, hopefully, with these new vendors. I would expect more vendors to appear on the platform over the next coming months, making it easier for creators in different parts of the world to have a merch vendor that's in their country, sending products to their fans in that country as well. The next update is YouTube Giving. YouTube Giving is where you can donate some of your YouTube revenue to good causes, charities, etc. YouTube announced that they're going to roll this out of beta and into production so that you can donate some of your monies towards good charities or whatever like that. Now, because YouTube/Google will be handling the payment processing, there will be zero money taken out of those monies going to the charities. So all the monies will actually go to them without any processing fees. The last update that I think is actually quite big but wasn't made much of at all is new YouTube learning playlists. Now, I'm in the how-to space, and anyone who is in the how-to space on YouTube should be over the moon with this brand new update. So it's going to be a different style of playlist where you can put in your videos into that playlist and it will play those videos as if it was a tutorial or a learning sequence of videos. This gives creators in the how-to space the ability to be able to put their videos in sequence so that their viewer can go through steps in a tutorial and go from beginner all the way through to the end with those sequence of videos. Now, for anybody in the how-to space, this is amazing because your watch time is going to go up and your recommended videos on the right-hand side are also going to go up as well when using these learning playlists. YouTube have recognized that the how-to space on YouTube has been growing year on year, and they are rewarding us, the how-to creator, with these playlists to keep people on the platform even longer. So there you go, there are your updates from YouTube from VidCon 2019. Which one of them are you excited about? Let me know in the old comments area below. I'd love to know which one you are looking forward to or have on your channel that you're using. And as always, if you have a question about this or anything else to do with YouTube, make sure to pop that also in the old comments area below. Now, if you're not already a subscriber, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and get more videos like this every Tuesday. And if you are a subscriber and you haven't hit that notification bell, hit it and get notified when using these. Now, if this is your the next update, the last update that was